Welcome to our channel, dear viewers, where we embark on a journey of divine inspiration and blessings that transcend time and space. God is saying to you today, someone admire you and like you, but is shy to express it. But he wants to express many things to you. My dear, I've been thinking about you a lot today, and I wanted to tell you how I feel. I hope God bless you with all the happiness of this world. I wish you the best in life, my love. My dear, you are the best gift God has ever given me. Every day I pray to God for your success and prosperity. Never underestimate the power of prayer. I prayed for a caring, loving person in my life. God has listened and given you in my life. Type 333 if you needed this. Life is worthless without loved ones. So God created the family. I prayed to God to increase love and care in our family. May He bless us. You have many qualities in you, and I'm sure one day you'll achieve all your dreams. May God help you to reach your goal. Darling, always keep your faith in God. He will guide you and help you to live a happy life. God bless you. Subscribe our channel if you love God, loves people who love others and take care of them. I am blessed to have you as you love me so much. I think you are God's favorite person. When I feel sad, I look outside and think, there are many people who have no family and no friends, but I have a lovely family and many good friends. I am blessed. Like this video, if you believe God, I am very grateful to God. He has sent the most beautiful and amazing person in my life. My dear, you are a blessing from God. Every day I pray to God about you. I pray that God may help you and protect you all the time. What can be more comfortable when your loved one is under the protection of God? Type yes if you needed this when you came in my life. That was the most beautiful moment. I thank God for sending you in my life and showering His blessings on us. I love you a lot, my dearest man. Being patient in life shows your trust in God. Though the wait was long, but when He walked in my life, it was worth it. Let us thank Almighty for bringing us together and blessing us. 12:12 to claim it. Our relationship has seen the best and the worst of the times. It is because of the love of God that we could face all the challenges and strengthen our love. Let's bow to Him for His support. We must begin our day by thanking God for a wonderful morning and end it with gratitude for His blessings. Dearest darling, let us also thank Him for this blessings on our relationship. Our love is as pure as the grace of Almighty. Your promise is as strong as the belief in God. You have beautified my life in every possible way, and I thank God for bringing you in my life. Type yes if you needed this. No relationship can grow without love of Christ. No bond can strengthen without His support. Your presence in my life is because of His grace. Let us thank Him for making our lives beautiful. I love everything about you. I love your laugh, your smile, the way you look at me, your touch, and your perfect personality. I just can't believe that we met so coincidentally and that everything was just so perfect. I don't know what the future brings, so what life will throw at us, but I know that we will get through it no matter what. Together, I know what I want and need, and that's you. I know that nothing will stop me from loving you no matter what happens. I love you. Just know that you are the best thing that has happened to me. Type 222 to affirm and share this video with 12 people who trust God. Comment, Jesus is Lord. Thank you for joining us in this reflection on God's blessings. Wishing you all a life illuminated by His divine grace. Until we meet again, take care and stay blessed.